Hello friends, I'm BM. Today I'm going to show you Canon Imageclass MF3010 printer unboxing. Okay, open box. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Okay, open this box. You see, this is installation manual, power cord, installation CD and USB cable. Remove this packing thermocol. Okay, this is chassis tray cover. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Okay, remove this cover. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Remove these orange color tapes. Okay, remove all tapes. Remove this tape also. Open flap. Okay, open this cartridge cover and remove this packing. Okay, and pull out cartridge. Okay, remove this cover. Okay, unlock cartridge, remove this ribbon. Okay, remove this lock or chip. Okay, insert cartridge in printer. Close cartridge cover and scanner cover. Okay, this is scanner, flatbed scanner. Okay, this is cassette tray. Slide this. Okay, this is paper holder. This is USB port. Remove this tape. This is USB port. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon.